Alright, I've got a nice Husqvarna RZ5424 that refers to the 54-inch 3-blade deck and a 24-inch Kohler horsepower motor on the back. Kohler horsepower Kohler motor. You guys get what I'm saying. Give you a little walk around on here. This thing only has 210 hours. Still got the grass chute, which is almost always missing for some reason. Seat is not all cracked up, but the foam where it glues to the seat is loose from what I noticed. I'll pop this off of here. I didn't actually pull it all the way off. Yeah, see, it's just kind of loose here, but operates just fine the way it is. Very comfortable. Got to have your e-brake on this one here. Over on this side is the deck height adjustment. You just press this pin to be able to drop it down. We'll go ahead and put it kind of low so we can see it cut. My grass is finally tall enough to get some good video of that. Choke it and start it up. Grab it up for you guys. No smoke, no bad vibrations. Idle it back down for you. Runs nice and smooth. One thing I have noticed, which is not like a mechanical issue, but this throttle, maybe I'll do it in the video, as the mower is just running with the vibration of it running, sometimes this throttle slowly comes backwards and allows it to idle down a little bit. Of course, it's not going to do it in the video, but it does do that sometimes. Blades on. Deck operates nice and smooth. Doesn't have any squealing or squalling from the bearings or anything like that. Flip this e-brake off so we can actually move without killing the motor. See? Throttle will come back a little bit. See? Just got some grass here. There, track's nice and straight. It does not veer off to the left or to the right. I'll go ahead and get some of this thicker grass right here. Nice, good cut, even on the thick grass. Didn't bug out on me. Turn these blades off. Idle it back down. This mower's ready to go.